Hi guys, today's question is it mandatory to issue legal notice if you have to take legal action against somebody? It might be your client, it might be your vendor, it might be a third party, it might be a neighbor, anybody. Look, as per law, if you have been given a check by somebody and you have to file a case under section 138 Negotiable Instruments Act, that is the check bounce case. In that situation, as per law, it is mandatory to issue legal notice under section 138 itself. However, if there is another case you have to institute against government, then as per section 80 CPC, it is mandatory to issue a legal notice of 60 days against the government itself or the concerned department. The court has power to waive off the period of 60 days if the case is against the government. But in check bounce matters, the legal notice of 15 days validity, it is mandatory to issue that legal notice. Until or unless the check bounce notice is sent, you will not be able to institute the case against the concerned party. For rest of the matters, it is not mandatory to issue legal notice at all. But now the question arises, why do we have to issue the legal notice? Should we or should we not? To answer this question, you must understand that going to the court is an expensive affair. That means if you go to the court, you will have to pay the fees of the lawyer, you will have to incur the court fees, lots and lots of time has to be invested in the court proceedings also. So in order to avoid the court proceedings, we generally ask our counsels, the advocates, to issue legal notice to tell the other party, look, this is the last chance, we can settle this dispute before going to the court. And sending the legal notice also gives the idea to the other person that you are serious enough to go to the court. So what I have seen in my experience, issuing a legal notice is a prudent step you should take, because once the other party knows that you are serious enough to go to the court, there are good chances that your dispute might be resolved before going to the court itself. And if at all your dispute is resolved before going to the court itself, then you will be able to save a lot of money, time and effort.